Hey everybody, Grant here with Cometly, and I am extremely excited in this video to announce that as of today, we are officially releasing a new feature called Spaces. So let's dive right into it. I don't want to waste any time. So what are Spaces? Spaces will basically give you, a Cometly user, unlimited stores inside one single Cometly account. So for people using Cometly that have Shopify stores, if you have multiple Shopify stores, you're most likely using multiple and paying for multiple Cometly accounts right now. You have to log in and log out of each account, and it's a huge pain in the butt. Same with ClickBank. If you have multiple ClickBank accounts and you're probably paying for multiple Cometly accounts, and same thing, you have to move in and out of each Cometly account. As of today, you guys can consolidate those all into one single Cometly account. We also have updated user roles and permissions. So now inviting other people into your Cometly account to work on your spaces, to work on your ads, is going to be really, really easy. And guys, the coolest thing about this is you're able to add unlimited Shopify stores, unlimited any sales channel directly into Cometly at no additional cost for right now. That may be changing in the future, but for everybody right now, it's going to cost you absolutely nothing. You can manage and track 5, 10, 15, 20 different stores inside one single Cometly account for no additional cost. And then I'm cut off down there, but we also redid the menu navigation. And so we gave you guys a lot more space now to analyze data by removing that top bar from the navigation. So let's go ahead and dive right into a Cometly account so I can show you guys what this looks like. So now you'll notice the first thing is the top menu navigation is gone. The full navigation is now over on the left side. So there's more room to analyze data, especially inside the Comet Ads Manager. But let's dive into Spaces. So the first thing you'll notice here on the side is I have a drop down, and these are now my different stores, or my, what we're calling spaces, right? So if I go into a space, into the space settings, this is what contains a space. You have your integrations, you have your members, and then you have your settings. So inside the integrations, you're able to connect your ad channels, and you can have multiple people in here. People can connect their ad channels to this space. You can then connect your sales channel. So you connect what store you want inside this space. And then down here, you'll see all of the connected ad accounts that are inside the actual space. Okay, so really easy. This is where the integrations will now live for the space. You're able to connect and disconnect ad accounts, and then also decide which store you want on this space. In terms of members, these are the members of this space. So you're now easily able to invite people to work specifically on just one single space in your Cometly account. Or you can invite someone into your Cometly account and have them work on multiple spaces. You just go to add member and you can go ahead and add them directly to the space. We have a couple different roles. So there's an administrator role, which basically can do everything inside the space. There's an advertiser, and then there's a viewer. Advertisers can connect ad accounts, they can manage the ads, they just can't manage the space settings and add new members. And then viewers can only view data. They can't do anything other than just view the data. Okay, so guys, this is really exciting because a lot of people have been wanting to be able to manage multiple sales channel connections and have different types of permissions for their actual teammates inside Cometly, which you can now do. And then of course the settings page, you're able to update your logo, your business icon here, change the name. And then the cool thing, guys, is space. You have currency and time zone for each space. So when I come over here and I go, I want to manage a new store, I'll come into create space and I'll say Grant, new space, and this is the name of the business. Then I can select the time zone that I want. I can select the currency that I want, and then the sales channel that I want in here. And then I can literally hit create space. And boom, guys, I just created a new space. I can now say, okay, I want to connect this ad account here, and cool, it's now connected. And then I can come in here, I can set up my store URL, connect that store, and then boom, same thing as before in terms of up and running and starting to track your ads. You'll be able to set up your pixel. You'll be able to set up your UTMs. And then, guys, you'll literally be able to start tracking ads for as many businesses as you want. For the agencies watching this video, you guys know how much of a game changer this is going to be. For people that have multiple stores right now, let's say you own 3 different stores, or you have 2 different ClickBank accounts. You guys are paying for multiple Cometly accounts, and yes, we are definitely going to lose money on this feature release, but guys, this is what's best for you. This is what's best for the users. Right now, you guys have multiple Cometly accounts. You're paying for multiple Cometly accounts. You can literally cancel your additional Cometly accounts and consolidate everything into one. Because for a limited time, we're literally going to give you unlimited spaces. It's going to cost no additional money for you guys to create as many spaces as you want. Now in the future that may be changing, and maybe 30 days out or something, but for right now, you guys get to create as many spaces as you want, and that literally means you can manage unlimited stores with Cometly right now. The other thing cool is that you can come down here, and if you literally want to be a part of different entire Cometly accounts, you're able to do that now. So if you literally, your friend or your colleague has a Cometly account and you have your own Cometly account, and you guys want to be in each other's accounts, you can do that now. You just go down here to users, and they invite you, you invite them, and you can switch between the entire account itself. And then of course the spaces that are inside the Cometly accounts are unique to that. Okay, so guys, that pretty much covers it. Once again, we're really excited for this release. I'm so proud of the Cometly team for putting this out. This has been a work in progress for a long time, and everyone worked really hard on this. And I hope you guys, as the users, you guys will start to use it, give us feedback, let us know. If you don't have multiple stores, or if you don't have multiple ClickBank accounts, no worries. This update really hasn't changed anything for you except the main navigation. We've now made it a lot easier to just simply get to the ads manager. So I'm in this space here. You can click ads manager, and boom, you're right here into the ads manager. We know this is where all the Cometly users love to live out of. This is the most loved feature and the most used feature. So we wanted one click and you're here, and that's what we've done. We've done moved daily breakdown, ad sets, and spend analysis under reporting, and then tracking now has tracking setup page and the campaign tracker. So guys, once again, really excited for you to dive in and start using spaces. You can literally see this on this space here. We have all of the data, we have this ad account, and then if I go ahead and switch to a different space, this is completely different data. This is a completely different ad account. And yes, you can have multiple ad accounts, of course, inside one space. All right, so that's all. I wanted to keep this video as short as possible, ideally 5 minutes. I'm a couple minutes over. Let us know if you have any questions at all. Once again, really proud of the team on this, and we're looking forward to your guys' feedback. Thanks so much, and have an awesome day.